Welcome guys, today I'm with this Amazon speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily connect them with your iPhone. So the first, you have to remember to shut down your speaker by holding the power button.
Powering off.
Next, you have to click and hold it to power on and move to the pairing mode.
Powering on.
Now we can release. When this line is blinking, it means that the device is visible to other smartphones. So you have to open the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth. You have to go for the Bluetooth, tap on the switcher, and just take a look until the speaker will pop on the available devices list. As you can see, there it is, so we can just tap once.
Connected.
And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.